Still didn't touch.
Still didn't touch, did he?
You gotta get lower than that.
Almost touched the white station.
That thing flies sweet. Yeah.
Is he gonna grab it?
It's light though.
Yeah.
It's really light. With a lot of power. Oh, going to the longer grass to cheat. That's what he's doing. He's gonna make the tail disappear. Yeah, it is. I wish I could zoom in on these. Can you? Wait, it's running?
Oh no.
No, it's running. You can't. So they don't walk out. Run out there. I don't want them to know I'm doing it though. Gotta sneak up on you, Trev, just so you don't know. Hey, wait a minute, I didn't get that.
Yeah! You got a little bit of wheat hanging there. There we go.
Was that your tail touch?
Oh, big time. Oh, yeah. I almost landed it.
Oh.
The
Come down lower and
The wind dropped right off.
come down lower and I'll get a nice shot of your overhead here. Or underneath. I'm out here in front of you.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, you got one? Oh, yeah, I got the whole thing in it.
Oh, look at the grass!
Look at the weeds! Hey, check out the weeds!
Look at the weeds caught in the tail.
I got you right in. I put Jack up at all.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the weeds.
Look at the weeds!
Nice.
Yeah! Yeah, I got some memories.
Stuck in the tail and everything.